Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. Your Kalani teacher is here with a new digraph. And today we are going to learn the digraph E. Here, the letter E comes two times and makes a long E sound. That is E. Okay. And the action for this digraph is like this: E or E or. Okay, in this action two digraphs come together. The first one is E. Put your hands like this is a like a donkey, and this is the ear of that donkey. E or. E or. Okay, and the reason behind this action is that there is also one story. The story is that there was a donkey and some sheep. They lived near the cornfield. Okay, वहाँ पे कुछ मक्का जो रहता है ना, भुट्टा, वहाँ पे वो भुट्टे का फील्ड रहता है, तो वहाँ पे वो रहते हैं. सो दैट देयर वॉज सम चिल्ड्रन. वहाँ पे कुछ बच्चे आते हैं. दैट चिल्ड्रन गिव्स सम कैरेट्स टू द डोंकी. वो डोंकी को कुछ कैरेट्स देते हैं. सो द डोंकी वॉज वेरी प्लीज्ड. ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी and he greet that children by bearing like this: E or. E or. Okay, so this is the reason behind this action and sound. There are some words where letter E comes two times. At that time we sound that digraph E. Okay, few words are, the first one is B. B. Okay, the another one is sheep. Sheep. The next one is this is teeth. Teeth. The another one is tree. Tree. Okay, these are some words, and the jingle of this digraph is, everyone sing along with me and do action with me. See the donkey in its stall. E or is its call. Okay, everyone repeat the action and sound. Thank you.